Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on the application of Tinder. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about Tinder and you can click here. In this page of app info we click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Tinder. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by liking and